With a population of probably 3 million persons, Jamaica should really be more peaceful and loving, but we keep seeing persons playing stupid games to get stupid prizes. And the sad thing is that crime is one of the ways these prizes are paid out. And it's just sad to know that a people who oftentimes is seen in the world as the 37th happiest place in the world can't seem to be happy enough to love each other. And if you guys weren't aware, there was a robbery in Manchester where a young man lost his life after he was challenged by a JDF soldier. But it is just alarming to know how easy it is for a young person who is not even 30 to go to these extreme ends to make money. And the sad thing is that most of these persons who turn to crime, they have a very depressing background, some of them, but oftentimes there are alternatives. But it's just sad that more and more young persons are just finding crime as an easy alternative, and the subculture is taking over Jamaica. And many persons overseas have painted Jamaica to be violent, when in reality it is just the few that is painting the many in this bad light. But as a country, just as how we are fighting COVID, I think we need the COVID attention or the COVID approach to crime. Because if this young man here, seemingly probably not even 30 or 35, can do things to lose his life without second thought, we are in serious problems if more and more persons choose this alternative. So we need COVID attention to crime, and we need to stop the cashing in of these stupid prizes that people want to claim. So be safe and be good.